car door doesn't open, it's broken, so I'm gonna try and fix that. Got these off. Oh yeah, so this door doesn't open from the inside, and this is broken, so I was able to like use a screwdriver and pry this out and grab it, pull this up to unlatch the door. So now hopefully I can get this panel off. There we go. Accidentally broke the rest of the door handle off. So, but how in the world do I get up to there? I got it out. That was way harder than it needed to be. But I'll bent it just a little bit, but I think it should be fine. Taped it up a little bit so that it'll hold for now. New door handle acquired. Different color though. I think that'll work. The tape I used left some residue, so that's good to know because I'm gonna put Christmas lights on this thing, and don't use that tape. I couldn't find anything that would fit in here, like a nut and a bolt, so I'm gonna try something else. Hole 1 drilled through, hole number 2 drilled through. Also drilled 2 holes in here, so I'm gonna put that in right in there. There we go. Do my holes line up? They look pretty close. Oh yeah, we got those in there. And then, let's see. I got a little crooked. That's okay. And then I'm gonna connect that to the yellow thing right there, and then we should be good. Got this connected right. Oh my gosh. Right there, got that piece connected, so that goes up to the door handle. All right. Yes, it worked. Boom.